Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure iRobot Roomba with Alexa and scheduled cleaning step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your iRobot Roomba is fully charged and connected to Wi-Fi. Download and install the iRobot Home app from your device's app store. Open the app and create an account if you don't have one. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect your Roomba to your Wi-Fi network. Once connected, note the Wi-Fi network name and password for reference. Next, enable the Alexa skill for iRobot. Open the Alexa app on your phone. Tap on the More tab at the bottom right corner. Select Skills and Games from the menu. In the search bar, type in iRobot. Find the iRobot skill and tap on it to open. Select Enable to use to link your iRobot account with Alexa. Sign in with your iRobot account credentials when prompted. After linking is complete, return to the Alexa app home screen. Now, discover your devices by saying Alexa, discover my devices. Alternatively, you can tap devices at the bottom of the. Once your Roomba has been discovered, you can start using voice commands. To schedule cleaning, go back to the iRobot Home app. In the app, select your Roomba from the list of devices. Tap on Schedule and set the preferred cleaning days and times. Confirm your schedule settings and save them. Now you can ask Alexa to start, stop, or dock your Roomba. Try saying, Alexa, ask iRobot to start cleaning to begin the cleaning process. Your iRobot Roomba is now configured with Alexa and ready for scheduled cleaning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.